Hello, welcome to Patrice's Projects. Today is my first ever mail call. So I got this package in the mail on Wednesday. It's Saturday now, but I wanted to wait until I was on YouTube to open it. I know what's in it, but I have no idea what's in it. If you get what I mean. So I was the 500th subscriber to Sapper's channel, and that's right up over here. I'll put a card to it. He's got a great channel. He has a lot of gardening things, cooking things, just a really good channel, really nice guy. And I just happened to jokingly tell him that I was the 500th subscriber, which I was, and I said, do I get a prize for that? And he offered to send me seeds, and I told him, you don't need to do that, but if you really want to. And he did. So here they are. I have no idea what they are. So let's take a look. When I first got this, I almost ripped it open. I was laying down resting, and my husband brought it into me, and I started trying to lift the tape, and I thought, no, I want to do this on YouTube, not to mention the fact that it's taped up really well. So I don't want to flip it over because our addresses are both on the other side, and I don't think that Rob would appreciate me just exposing him like that. So there's a lot of smoke in the air here in California, and it's been congesting me a lot. So if my voice sounds a little rough, I apologize, but that's just how it's going to be for a while, I guess. Okay, I might be in. I don't know. Do I have to cut up there? It folds over. I'm just going to make it into a... go back further over here. I hope I don't cut open any seed packets. I got this box cutter from my son. He was using it, and I said, oh, that's so nice. And he said, you want one? And I said, sure, and he handed me his. Tear it. There. Oh, packaged really nice. Okay. And he said he knows what zone I'm in, so he said these should do really well in my climate. So let's see what I have. It's a lot. When I got the box, I was surprised. Oh, and these are Baker Creek. And they are dwarf moringa. Oh, I've never grown moringa, but I would like to. So, and being a dwarf moringa, I'm sure he's watched my channel, so he knows my garden is very small. So, excited about trying that. I believe moringa is a tree. I do have an area where I could plant that, and I'm pretty sure this tree dies back. I'll have to read more about it. We have some cantaloupe seeds, Hale's Best. I have never had good luck with cantaloupe or any larger melon. And the only melon I'm actually good with is called Armenian cucumber. An Armenian cucumber is not a cucumber, it is a melon. It's the only one I can really grow to full size. So we'll see. Wish me luck, Rob. And, oh, honeydew melon. See, I've never grown this because my son and husband don't like it, but I love it. That's one of my very favorite melons. They like the cantaloupe, so we're covered. Bok choy. Okay, I have grown bok choy. Mine did not do real well to full size, but I think I was planting at the wrong time. And I think it could have been a seed issue because I planted at the same time other people in my climate planted, and mine don't do as well. So looking forward to trying these. These are from the seed guy. I haven't gotten seeds from there before. Also from the seed guy are Crimson Giant Radish. Ooh, that sounds good. I don't know if I've tried the Crimson Giant. So excited to try that. And I'm going to be able to plant this real soon because I do fall gardening, so I'm going to get those in the ground soon. The bok choy as well. I'll have to read about the moringa. Let's see, we have yellow crookneck squash. Oh, you know what's funny? I bought a crookneck squash plant this year because I have failed at growing it from seed every year. This year I've gotten a couple little crookneck off of it, but I think it was the seed I was using before. I used the same seed for 3 years. Every year I failed. This year I bought a plant and it has done okay. So looking forward to trying these. Black Beauty eggplant. Oh, nice. I am growing eggplant this year, but I'm growing the Ichiban eggplant. I think that's how you say it. And that's the skinny Japanese squash that is long. My mom's Japanese, so that's a type that I grew up eating, and my sister likes that kind. But I also like the Black Beauty for cooking with, like especially Parmesan eggplant. One of my favorite ways of doing the bigger eggplant. So I will definitely be doing one of those or 2 of those next year. And you know, someone is growing or planting this same Baker Creek red cabbage. Excuse me. Someone else, who was it? Gosh. One of the other channels that I regularly watch, and I'm drawing a blank. I'll put her in a card right up there. She was just talking about her fall garden, and she's growing this same red cabbage, so looking forward to trying that. I haven't grown red cabbage. I've grown green. Mary Washington asparagus. I actually am growing some asparagus in a pot, a gigantic pot, right now. And it's doing okay, but I did want a whole bed of asparagus. So, looking forward to using these. And I didn't have asparagus seed, so that's perfect. This is an herb called oyster leaf. Tastes similar to oysters with a hint of seaweed. That sounds delicious for soups. I have never tried that. I've never even heard of it. Rob, if you want, give me some pointers on how to use this, I would appreciate that. That sounds really good. That's unusual. For sure. Sugar snap peas. I love those. And I needed new seed. So, thank you very much. Boston pickling cucumber. You know, I actually do not have seed for Boston pickling cucumber. You know, I might. But the seed sucked. I have had problems with. This is my worst cucumber seed ever. Was my Boston pickling. So I'm looking forward to trying these because I do like to grow pickling cucumbers. I eat them fresh. I like the crunch of it. It's nice and solid. Scarlet Nantes carrot. It's a very, very good carrot, and you can always use more carrot seed. I have some carrots started already. They may or may not do well. It was the purple, cosmic purple, and the atomic red carrots I have planted right now, but I can definitely use some of the Scarlet Nantes to plant for my fall garden. I have a big open space right now, so some of the seed is going in right away. You know, I actually have some of these growing in the garden right now. I grew them for the first time ever. I probably didn't post that video yet, darn it. Anyway, they are not flowering. I planted them super late, but I am so excited to try to grow these at the right time of year next year. But right now I do have some, and I'm excited to try these. Seems like everyone was growing them but me. Oh, did I say what they are? Dragon tongue beans? Just, they're pulp beans, but mine aren't really climbing much. Mine had started out more like a bush bean. So I will definitely have to read the packaging a little bit more because it doesn't actually say it's a pole bean. Huh. I could be wrong, but everyone else seems to grow them upright. Let's see. Ashitaba! You know, I've heard some of the people that I follow, Dan, at Plant Abundance. He grows ashitaba, and I would very much like to try growing this and using it. It's an herb, and I guess it has a lot of medicinal qualities. So yeah, strictly medicinal seeds. So excited to try that. And if you guys have ways of using ashitaba, I would appreciate any ideas from you. Nothing too strange. And we have Oriental Greens Shanghai Green Choy. So this is a different type of pak choy type cabbage. Maybe I'll do better with this than the actual bok choy. So looking forward to that, because like I said, I didn't have great luck. I could grow it and I got a bunch of seed from it, but I just I couldn't get that beautiful plant. So looking forward to trying this. Thank you. And arugula. I have a lot of arugula seed. It depends on what. There's many varieties of arugula, so I don't know what variety this is. I love arugula. It's one of my favorite things to put in salad, and in fact, arugula was one of the things on my list to put in the garden for my fall garden, so I will use some of these. Thank you. Okay. The timing could not have been better, because I like to pre-plan where I'm going to plant things, and I just pulled out some things from the garden to save seed from for an upcoming giveaway, which is going to be in about 2 weeks. So you might want to subscribe and then click the notification button so you get notified when that video comes up. I'm thinking around the 15th, but that's a Wednesday. I might go for the Friday following, so that would be like the 17th. I'll probably run it to the end of the month or just barely into the beginning of the following, so that people have plenty of time. I'm not doing a giveaway where one person or 5 people win. I'm giving away to everyone that sends me a self-addressed stamped envelope. So I'll announce what seeds are going to be. I think I mentioned the Butter Crunch lettuce in the collaboration with Wholesome Roots, but I'm going to have at least 4 varieties. I'm going to look to see if I can get enough of the 5th one to be able to do that. What I might do is do 5 until I run out of the 5th, and then I'll just keep sending the 4 until I run out, or until whatever date it is that I decide I'm going to do as the end date. So look forward to that. If you have any questions, comments, concerns, or just want to congratulate me on on this amazing haul, go ahead and hold on. I'm having a glimpse. Then go ahead and put that down in the comments below. If you just want to say hi, I'd appreciate that too. I'll talk to you soon. Bye.